Welcome to Holiday Specialist.
This is the mountain village, once full of life, but now standing silent and empty. I remember 20 years ago, we came here with our parents in summer. These broken houses were once repaired and decorated with love.
As if the walls were not stone, but dreams.
We brought our Zomo cows and cattle here. From their milk, we made butter, yogurt, and cheese. Everything was pure and natural. People rarely got sick. A world of peace. A life of purity. But today, we don't even have time to spend 2 peaceful days in these mountains. Now we are forced to live the noisy, restless life of the cities. And this empty village lives only in our memories. Subscribe to Holiday Specialist for more amazing travel stories, hidden village life, and unique cultural experiences. Don't miss the journey. Join us now.